Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year and welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video like this. And for today's video, everyone, this is from Firmoo. Yeah, thank you so much, Firmoo, for being so generous to me and in my channel. So for today's video, I will be unboxing and I will try this outdoor. How's that sounds to you guys out there? So yeah, I will be trying this on outdoor, but prior to that, let's do the unboxing. And of course, prior to the unboxing, I will give you a very quick information about Firmoo Company, Firmoo Eyewear. Okay, this has been in the market for quite a bit of a while. Okay, I had Firmoo before. This might be my third or fourth time collaborating with them. Thank you so much for your generosity. They give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime from this product in exchange of my video, which is I am doing now. And I will be trying this on. Of course, prior to trying on is the unboxing, as I've said earlier. So okay, so there has a lot of sales, good deals in this eyewear company, guys. Frame super low price, okay? And they also carries prescription kind of eyewear, eyeglasses. I've got here a lot of, you know, like for your eyesight, so you will have an idea what kind of product they are selling into market, and so you can have an idea of which one to order because they do prescriptions. Remember that they carry men and women and kids too, and they do also have some accessories for the kind of eye accessories, right? And they have sunglasses. Yay, all kind of sunglasses. They carry all these kind of sunglasses. Okay, so this is your few eyesights for you guys to have an idea at least. Okay, this product is, or this company has a very affordable in all items. Okay, so you can see that, and please go check down below in my description in this video. I will have all the information for your reference. Okay, so please go check, guys. And good eyesight has a good life, happy life, happy eyesight. So we have to have a good eyesight so we can focus to our everyday, you know, very important. The eyesight is very important, so we gotta have to take care of our eyesight. If you need a prescription eyeglasses, well then Firmoo is the best company to reach out. Okay, so let's unbox this. Please see me in my unboxing and in my try on again, as I've said as always. Thank you. Here it comes. Okie dokie. Let's get my scissor to open up this. Okay, please careful when using sharp object or anything that is sharp. Okay, so let's open this. Ooh. Thank you so much Firmoo for this. This is a free stuff from them. Thank you very much. So I choose sunglasses this time. Okay. Aha. Pretty, huh? Look at that casing, everyone. Okay. So I choose this first one. Oh. Huh. Okay. All right. Looks like aviator, no? What do you think? Oh, exciting for my outdoor try on in this. So let's proceed to the other one. Let me put that way. And right, so I got this. I choose this one though. I mean, yeah, the style. So I like this. Look at that style. And oh, oops. Excuse me, and I got Firmoo, very little name here. I'm not so sure if you can see that. There goes the Firmoo name on it. Same thing on the other side. And there you go. Very cool. Beautiful though. I love it. We can use this even though it's winter because we still have sun, right? So I can't really wait to try this outdoor. I'm kind of excited here, you know. Okay, so thank you so much, Firmoo, for being so generous to me and in my channel. Thank you big time so much to that. I will put all the link and information below, guys, in this video, so you can check please online. Did you have a lot of good deals? All right, so what do you say? Cool, beautiful, hey? I think this is a kind of aviator shape, and this one. And you know, guys, why I love sunglasses? Because sunglasses cover our eyes, like our eye emotions, you know. Like if we were in a rush, if we are in a rush, we don't need to put makeup on. Boom, put your sunglasses on and good to go. You're looking good still, you know. This cover our inner. When we have sunglasses, you know what I'm saying? Like if you are crying all night, put your eyeglasses on, it's good, gone, and you look still cool, you look still pretty, you look still beautiful. This is one of the advantages of the sunglasses, on top of the very sunny sunrise, yeah, ultraviolet rays. So this is what I love to have sunglasses, especially when we are always in a rush, and especially me that I work night shift. So you know, expect that at the very end of the shift, the day after that, I look like a zombie. Can you imagine that? But if I have this, that zombie looks gone, you know. So this is one of the advantage of having the sunglasses. Oh, beautiful though. Oh my god, I love me. Yes. Isn't it pretty? It is not necessarily to be summer to have this. Like here in Canada, we have winter, but winter is still sunny. So we still getting sun once in a while, but not really the whole day. But still, we got some sunlight here still. So, what do you think of this? I can't really wait to try this outdoor. Let's proceed to the other one, okay? Oh my goodness. See, this is what I'm saying. You don't need to put makeup on. This cover the eye. This cover our eye. Like if we have this kind of eye bags, you know, like if we were crying all night. So this covers our eye, and it does helps a lot though. We still look pretty, right? So this is one of the advantage why I do love sunglasses. I don't need to put makeup, especially when I will be running out of time. Just go grab your purse, put your sunglasses on, boom, you look cool, you look pretty as always, right? So what are you waiting for? Go get one for yourself, guys. Okay, you deserve one. You deserve a gift for yourself. You work hard, and so treating ourselves is one of the best therapy. I am telling you that. It feels great though. Give a prize to yourself. Okay, so let's try this outdoor. Please see me outdoor. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living on